Hello guys! When you open Unreal Engine for the first time, everything feels like it's competing for your attention. You see a 3D window, panels, lists, settings, and nothing really tells you where to start. In this episode, we'll simplify all of that into a few clear areas so you understand what you're actually looking at and how it all works together. Let's start with the biggest area in front of you. It is called Viewport. This is where your entire game world exists visually. You are not looking at files or menus here. You are looking directly into your level. Anything you place, build or move will show up here. For now, think of this as your camera into the game world. Now, look at the panel on the right side. This panel is called the outliner. It lists all the objects in your level. They are displayed as a structured list. If something exists in your scene, it appears right there as well. Everything you see in the viewport also exists in the outliner. It's the same world, just represented differently. Alright, now focus on what happens when you click something, either in the viewport or outliner. On the right side, you'll see a panel that changes based on selection. This is the details panel. This is where you modify whatever you selected: position, rotation, scale, and other settings depending on the object. The core idea here is simple. You don't edit the world directly. You select something first, then adjust it here. Now look at the panel on the left side. This is the Place Actors panel. This is where you quickly add simple objects into your level. Things like basic geometry or lights. Now look at the bottom area. This is the content browser. It's your project storage. You add your resources there like models, materials, blueprints, textures, audio, etc. When you add them there, they aren't in your world yet. However, once they are there, they become available to use in the level. You take things from here and place them into the world. So Place Actors is a quick insertion tool, and Content Browser is a full project asset storage. Alright, now let's connect all the pieces. A simple workflow in Unreal Engine looks like this. You pick something from the Content Browser or Place Actors. I will take it from Content Browser. You place it into the viewport. It appears in the outliner. Then you select it and modify it in the Details panel. That's the loop you will use constantly. These are the main windows. However, they are not fixed. You can move them around and dock them how you like it. This is called docking. And if anything gets messy, you can revert the default settings. This restores the original setup. You don't need to customize anything yet. Just know you can recover the default state anytime. Alright, now you understand the main editor panels. In the next episode, we'll focus on something more hands-on. You'll learn how to move inside the viewport, control the camera, and actually navigate your world efficiently. This is where things start to feel like real creation. So see you guys in the next one.